Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. How are you doing today? Very good. Perfect. Thank you so much. That's what I wanted to hear. I need your undivided attention. My name is Distinguished Toastmaster Amjad Ali, Sergeant Ram of Bollywood Toastmasters Club and past President of Bollywood Toastmasters Club. It's my privilege to stand right before you to open the meeting before our President. Mission of our club is we provide positive and supportive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop their communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. This is what we are here for. Please give yourself a big round of applause. हमारे मीटिंग के छोटे-छोटे कुछ डेकोरम्स हैं, वो हम कोशिश करेंगे मेंटेन करेंगे थ्रू द मीटिंग, ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द मीटिंग. उसमें क्या-क्या है? पहली चीज है कि अपने मोबाइल फोन्स को स्विच ऑफ या साइलेंट मोड पे शिफ्ट कर दें प्लीज. आप लोगों से दरख्वास्त है. बहुत शुक्रिया. ये हम इसलिए करवाते हैं कि जब रोल प्ले स्टेज पे आएंगे तो उनको आप अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे और अगर बीच में कोई कॉल आती है तो उनको डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होगी. इसके साथ साथ क्या करते हैं हम हर टोस्टमास्टर मीटिंग के अंदर वी डोंट इनकरेज 3 टॉपिक्स. एनीबॉडी कैन गेस? 1, sex means gender. We don't talk on gender topics. We don't support any gender. We are human lover. Second one is politics. We don't speak on politics or any topic which leads to politics. And third one is religion. We don't bring religion in our topic. We always support humanity. These are the things we are going to practice. The fourth one, which I really encourage you to do, that is stop fubbing during the meeting. During the course of the meeting, make sure you are not playing with your mobiles unnecessarily. Because I always mention, when you are on stage and somebody is playing right in front of your eyes with their mobiles, they are not listening to you because you are trying to change their lives. It feels insulted. So that's what we are not going to offer any of our role play speakers today. This is the reason I would encourage you all, make sure you are paying full undivided attention to all the role players. This is what we have, and washrooms are located right outside. When you go leave the room, your left, right and right, and you will find gents washroom, then leads by or followed by ladies washroom. You can whenever you, but make sure don't enter or leave the room during the speech is on. During the transition, while the claps are done, you can leave or enter the room. This is really encouraged.